Excessive heat in a lighting circuit can stem from several factors, requiring a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve. Firstly, consider overloading. The circuit may be experiencing excessive current draw. A typical 2x4 lay-in fixture often draws around 2 amps. So, 12 fixtures could result in a 24 amp draw, which exceeds the 20 amp rating of the circuit. Secondly, check for loose connections. Loose connections create high resistance points, which in turn generate heat as current flows. Carefully inspect all terminals and connections, ensuring they are properly tightened. Thirdly, examine the wiring size and length. While the National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify a maximum length for number 12 wire, a run of 230 feet can be quite long. This increased length leads to higher resistance, which in turn can cause voltage drop and excessive heat generation. Fourthly, environmental factors could be contributing. High ambient temperatures or inadequate ventilation in the area of the circuit can exacerbate heat buildup. To troubleshoot, start by using an amp clamp. Measure the current draw at different points in the circuit to pinpoint any overloads. Next, assess the voltage drop. Measure the voltage at the beginning and the end of the circuit. A significant voltage drop, typically more than 5%, suggests undersized wiring or loose connections. Carefully inspect the wiring, looking for signs of damage or overheating, particularly along the traveler wires in a 3-way switch configuration. Ensure adequate ventilation in the area where the fixtures are located to help dissipate heat. Finally, consider upgrading the wiring. If the wiring is indeed undersized for the load and the distance, upgrading to a larger wire size, such as number 10 or even number 8, can significantly reduce resistance and heat generation. If the measured current draw consistently exceeds 20 amps, it's essential to reduce the load in the circuit. This can be achieved by removing some fixtures or switching to lower wattage bulbs. Always tighten any loose connections you find and replace any wires that show signs of damage or overheating. In summary, to address excessive heat you should 1. Measure the current draw. 2. Examine all wire connections and make sure they are tight. 3. Examine the voltage drop. 4. Replace damaged wiring. 5. Reduce the load if it exceeds the circuit's rating. 6. Upgrade the wiring if needed. And 7. Make sure there is proper ventilation. If the current draw exceeds the 20 amp limit, consider either removing fixtures to reduce the overall load or switching to bulbs with lower wattage. Always prioritize tightening any loose connections you find and replacing any wires that exhibit signs of damage or overheating. If the existing wiring is insufficient for the demands of the circuit and the distance it covers, upgrading to a larger gauge wire is highly recommended to mitigate resistance and heat generation. In addition, ensuring that the area has sufficient ventilation to help dissipate heat is crucial for maintaining a safe and efficient electrical system.